Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be trying to make a simple fidget with just a water bottle. So yeah, so I'm going to be using a Minute Maid water bottle. So basically, first we're going to fill it up with water. So I'll get back to you guys when I fill it up with water. Also, don't forget, we're just testing it out. We might make more, like just with the same water bottle. So yeah, we're just testing it out, so it doesn't 100% work. So yeah, don't go be like, it don't work in the comments, okay? Now let me go fill this up. Okay, so I filled it up, like halfway kind of, it's like right here. Not really halfway, it's kind of, it's almost like 1/4 away from being filled. But basically, I would suggest wiping it off because it's probably wet, so I'm gonna go wipe it off.
So, Francis, why don't you take the night off? Thank you, sir.
So, yeah, just a silly mistake. I guess I look pretty.
Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm just going to put a few
Just so you know, next time
of these under it.
Thanks again for rushing over.
So don't worry. It's a little wet. So I put a few of it under. As you can see, so I'm just going to scoop this over you. And you can kind of like squish it, but I would recommend this is not a very good fidget. So yeah. Let's try our next one. Okay guys, same water bottle, different fidget. So yeah, I'm gonna only fill it up like, so if you can see, it's pretty light in here, so I'm gonna like fill it up to here. Let me show you, like right here. So yeah, let me fill it up. Okay, so I think I got it, just pass my face in your face. I think I got it like kind of halfway. It's a pretty well squished. Now, if you want to be fancy, you can add food coloring to it. I might see if I can. So yeah, it's kind of better if you fill it like less. Honestly, it's kind of better if you if you color it. It's kind of like a level. I like that I can turn it and just set it like this. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video, so yeah, bye guys.